The most time-consuming step in fence construction is the end post. Each one needs to be properly braced against the load. Here's what's normally involved. In a typical enclosure, there'll be 10 of these, 2 per corner and 1 each side of the gate. Even at this speed, it's a time-consuming operation, and Trevor is a highly skilled fencing contractor with 20 years' experience. These end assemblies can be constructed a lot faster, are longer lasting, and a good deal stronger with Vicebite, the stay bracket with real bite. Let's take a look at how easy the Vicebite system is. With the end post in place, another is sunk where the angle stay would normally be buried in the ground. This is the backing post. The angle stay is then positioned and trimmed to the correct angle. As this is the same angle as the other end, the stay can be swung around into position and the other end trimmed at an easier work height. This is just one way of using Vicebite. We'll see some others later. A Vicebite bracket is fixed to the base of the backing post. This can be nailed or screwed into position, but this is only to hold it in position during assembly. Once pressure is applied, the Vicebite stay bracket is self-locking and won't move. The angle stay is then positioned on the bracket. Vicebite is designed with a support ledge that makes positioning easy. Using the support ledge as a guide, a second Vicebite bracket is positioned on the end of the angle stay, then lowered into position on the end post. A few hits on top of the bracket will force it into the stay, and a few more hits on the stay will move it into its final position. As this end is tapped down, the other end also bites deeper. 6 teeth create a powerful anchor into both vertical posts. A nail may also be used to secure it until wires are tensioned. For optimum strength, the 2 posts are wired together using high tensile wire. The ends are stapled and the wire is tensioned. The wire is then trimmed and the ends stapled and tidied up. That's all that's involved. Vicebite is easy, yet very, very strong and fast. Remember our conventional end post? We're just about here. Higher fences present no problems. The same fixing method can be used for fences of any standard height. In any case, the wire is looped to the top of the stay post. A gripple or crimp may also be used as a fast, easy way to complete this assembly. An alternative Vicebite method uses a low backing post to anchor the angle stay. The method is exactly the same in measuring and cutting the stay and fixing the brackets. The support wire in this case is looped around the base of both posts, locking the bracing in an unobtrusive way. Meanwhile, our conventional end post is more or less here. The Vicebite stay bracket is ideal for use with an H-brace or boxed end assembly using a horizontal stay. Once the end post and backing post have been installed, measure and trim the horizontal stay to a neat fit between the 2 posts. A Vicebite bracket is then secured to the end post. For a neater job, adjust the support ledge to a 90-degree angle, ready for the horizontal stay. Another Vicebite bracket is adjusted to suit and secured to one end of the horizontal stay. 2 sharp teeth are designed to secure it in place. The opposite end of the stay is lifted into place on the first bracket, and then the other end of the stay lifted up on the inside of the backing post and secured into position. 3 or 4 wire loops are then fitted to complete the assembly. Another option that can be used instead of wire is a single length of threaded rod. Simply drill a hole at the bottom of the end post and as close as possible to the top of the backing post, install the threaded rod and large washers to spread the load, then tighten the nuts to complete the assembly. If you want the angle stay to be secured into the ground, Vicebite can still be used to secure the stay to the end post. The ground is prepared in the conventional way. The brace is forced against the buried cross brace and the Vicebite bracket applied as seen previously. There are no wires used in this method, but it's still a superior alternative to the time-consuming mortising of the end post needed in conventional methods. In this, as in all Vicebite fixing methods, the end post is better protected. A mortise can remove the timber treatment and compromise the life of the post. Vicebite has almost no impact on the timber treatment. A mortise can also weaken the structural integrity of the end post at its most critical point. Vicebite preserves the post's natural strength. Vicebite provides a cost-effective alternative in fence construction that is a significant time saver, yet produces a stronger, longer-lasting bracing system for the most crucial part of any fence. Vicebite is the stay bracket with real bite.